Hello and welcome back. So I really wanted to dive into the comparison operators in Python, but before doing that, we want to know about the Booleans, Boolean data types. What are those and why it is important to know? So Boolean data types are available in almost every programming language. And what it denotes an expression if that expression is true or if that expression is false. Suppose we have a statement. I'll write that. So 5 is greater than 4. So 5 is greater than 4. I am making that statement. Is that true? Yes, it is true. So we can write, okay, this is true. Again, I'll write another thing like 4 is greater than 10. Is that true? No, it is not. So it is false, right? So false. So basically Booleans denotes the true or the false values in Python. So we can print out that. So print, so if we do true with the capital T, of course, and then if we say that, and then if we run this program, so just true is being printed. But see, I am not using any sort of strings because this is the reserved keyword in Python. We can do the false as well, and if we do like the type of true, so if we run this program, it is the bool, that is the boolean. Okay, so basically Booleans denotes not only the true or the false, it denotes sometimes the truthy or the falsy values. And this is might be a bit confusing at first, like what is the truthy or what is the falsy, but we will get into that a bit later. So basically, if the statement or if some sort of comparisons or some sort of logic is, if it is true, then it is denoted by that boolean, which is in Python, which is true. And if it is not, then it is denoted by the boolean, which is false. Okay, now here is a trick, basically. So if we do print and if we convert this true or the false, this boolean value, to a number, what will happen? So if we do int, integer, and then if we write true inside that, so I'm commenting this thing out, and then if we do that and if we run, see, it is giving us 1. And if we do the same thing with the false, so it will give us 0. So basically you can think of a switch. If that is on, so the expression value is true, and if that is off, then the expression value is false. So you can see that this boolean values can be converted to the different data types as well, and we can like compare certain things or certain expressions based on that. Suppose if sometimes if we want the 1 and then we want to do something, like suppose you have a switch and you are like you are owning that switch, and when you on that switch, some light should like glow, right? So this sort of logical thinkings is possible because of the booleans. I know this is kind of like, this might be a bit simple, but still it is very, very important to understand about the booleans and what they denote. So basically, in short, booleans are the ways to determine whether some sort of expressions are true or false. That is it basically. Like this one, this expression, like, hey, 5 is greater than 4. Is that true or is that false? It is true. That is why it is true. 4 is greater than 10. Is that true or is that false? It is false. That is why I have written here the false. So we have two keywords in Python. One is true and another one is false to determine the Booleans. And yeah, I think that is it basically about the Booleans as of now. But still, we will definitely uh, revise this topic again and again, and we will see the truthy values or the falsy values. Suppose like this one basically is a truthy value. Okay, so that is why. So if I do print and then if I do bool, not null, bool, and if I pass one here and if I say that and then if I do see, it is printing us the true. So basically one basically represents the true, but it is not equals to the true. It is the truthy value. That is why we can compare certain things based on this expression, right? Then again, if we do like 0, then it will be false. So yeah, this is false. So basically that is it with regarding to the booleans in Python. I know there's it might be a bit confusing, but still it is I think a bit simple. So just we have two keywords. If the statement is truthy, then we will use the true or the number one sometimes, maybe. Or if the sentence or the expression is false or incorrect, then we will use the false keyword or number 0 as well. So yeah, basically that is it with regarding to the booleans. And yeah, let's catch up in the next one and see the comparison operators.